from In the Kitchen with Maria. But today I am in the kitchen with Maria and Brittany. Hey, Brittany! She's gonna be our guest chef today, all right? We're gonna be doing some awesome recipes for you. And then she's gonna show you some surprising elements about her life. So stay tuned till the end of the YouTube. And you're gonna just learn Russian, learn cooking, see some awesome stuff, and maybe hear a few jokes. All right, let's get cooking. We're cooking some chicken for you today. It's gonna be roasted chicken, and let me tell you right away, it's gonna be the last recipe you ever did for chicken. It's gonna be juicy, it's gonna be moist, it's gonna be delicious, super easy. You are going to love it. So, without further ado, Brittany, start doing onions because 2 ingredients for your chicken. It's your chicken. Let me go ahead and show you the chicken. The chicken. This is the star of your show, all right? Easy roasted chicken. We asked the butcher to butterfly. We have a little fun video for you about that part of our shopping. All right, now Brittany is a guest cook tomorrow on the segment, and today we're gonna go shopping for food, and we are at Walmart because you know what? You always should go to different stores for different prices and subjects. Britt, do you agree?
I do.
And he is about to walk. He's so humble. He did an excellent job in Publix. Publix, go Publix. And now Brittany is just gonna do onions. What you do, you're gonna slice them, all right? I wanna let you know on a secret. Brittany is pretty much, I would say, new wife, all right? Only a couple of years down under her belt, all right? So she will ask me if she can learn and get to cook a chicken that will be so moist and awesome because it's always dry in her repertoire. So this recipe is perfect. All of you who want to know how to do a juicy moist chicken, this one is for you. I can guarantee you it's a no-fail recipe. You are going to love it. She's chopping onions. This is the chicken. I'll see you in a few seconds. So how is it going so far?
Good so far.
So far so good, right? We got our onions going. We're gonna open up the chicken, do it. But I want to tell you something. This lady knows about beauty, a lot of things. She's gorgeous, we know that. But she also helps others to get gorgeous, all right? And she does it through a phenomenal company, Mary Kay. I know you've heard of it. But you also gotta get in contact with her and grab some specials. We're gonna show you in a minute the specials. Can you just tell us quickly, is there some Valentine's specials right now?
Yes, we have some Valentine's specials with just a couple products. It's all customizable, and the price points just kind of range. But,
Awesome.
yeah.
So it's all good. We're gonna show you in a second. But now we concentrate on chicken, all right? So let's start chicken. Oh,
Make the chicken pretty.
the chicken is pretty. You see the chicken? It's important that you butterfly the chicken. Ask the butcher to butterfly the chicken. It's actual secret. That's why this chicken is gonna be cooked so quickly. It's only gonna take about 45 minutes or so, and it'll be done. So imagine you putting that in the oven. It's gonna be juicy, moist, fantastic. Your husband is waiting, right? He's like hungry, but he's not gonna eat the chicken. You're low carb. You can just eat the chicken. Your husband is not low carb, okay? So while your chicken is getting ready, on top of the stove, cook whatever you want for him. You can do sweet potatoes, you can do couscous, you can do regular potatoes, you can do rice, whatever suits your fancy, all right? Just go wild, all right? But this is only gonna take 45 minutes and 400 degrees, and we're gonna prep it for you right now. 2 chefs in the kitchen, so you get 2 for the price of 1. All right, grab some olive oil right now. We're gonna season the onions, but first oil the onions. You go ahead, liberally. Okay, good enough, all right. Now, which is important to know, don't touch it. What's important to know, why did we put the olive oil first? Because then when we're gonna mix that oil into the onion, everything that we're gonna put on top is gonna attach itself to the onion, and it's gonna stick to it. If you would put salt and pepper first, when you put in oil, it will wash it away. So that's your little trick. Always oil everything, mix it a little bit, then add salt and pepper that you need, and mix it again, all right? I'm gonna mix, all right, because you need your beautiful, clean hands for all of that. Remember, best utensils attached, just wash them real good. Mix, toast. Mix, toast. Separate the onion when you're mixing it with oil, all right? Because they're kind of chunky a little bit. Mix again, toast again. Now go ahead and start salting it. Salt. You need more than that. All right, go about a tablespoon. All right, go more. There's not tablespoon yet. We're using a sea salt. Okay, good enough. All right. Now pepper it real nicely. So all these nice juices, you know, we were mixing it and tossing it. You were putting oil and pepper and salt, and now we're just gonna spread it like this on the cookie sheet. That's all you need to do. Spread it like this on the cookie sheet. All right. Okay. On top of that, our chicken is gonna go. In 1 second, we need something else. We need to transfer the chicken. All right. Oil on it and peppered it and salted generously. Now Brittany is doing rosemary and thyme. We're gonna also plump it all over it. Then the whole thing is gonna go on top, skin side up. The butterfly is gonna go down on the onions and the skin will come up on top, and we're gonna finish with the skin in a minute. This bad boy is gonna go right on top of the onions. Whoops! There we go. A couple of weeks ago we taped a video for you on YouTube and showed you how to do the garlic. She's gonna start practicing how to do it. Okay, what you do first?
You took all the cloves out.
Yep.
With the giant thing.
Okay.
And you just smash it.
You're gonna hit it. There you go. You better stay away from her because she's gonna hit everything. All right? Yeah, you're gonna hit it. The key here is to make it flat so it's easy to peel. All right? So that's the whole key right now. Okay, just go ahead and do it. Okay, you warned us that you're missing. And that's all right. You're in the kitchen.
I did warn you. I forgot.
Yes, you did. So, wonderful. Now we're just gonna mince it real quick. All right, and we're just gonna spread it just like that. Just like that. Mince it real quick. Don't worry if it's rough chop, rustic or anything. It's all right. Okay, you're just doing it. So you can go ahead and just put it all over the place, right? Okay. In a second, we'll take it into the oven. Keep on watching. 400 degrees oven is ready, and we're gonna go place it just in there. There you go. Push it a little bit more. Close it, and give it about 30 minutes. Give it about 30 minutes, all right? And 40 minutes till 160 eternal temperature inside the chicken. Okay, see you in a few. Okie dokie, strawberries are coming. So what she's gonna do, she's gonna cut this little tails off, right like this, all right? In a second, we're gonna show you how to gut them because we're gonna be beating some awesome creamy cheese, sugary whipped cream goodness for you to stuff those. And it's gonna be your Valentine's for your Valentine. You're gonna love this dessert. In a second, remember how we do that? Show them on video how we did this. Show them how to get that nice even. You see, she's not resting the strawberry like that. She's holding it completely 90 degrees against the flat surface. This way, when you cut it, it will stand. You see what I'm saying? So, do it one more time for them so they can see it. Show it one more time, just like they do right there. You see, right here, 90-degree angle. And then it's gonna be flat, and it's gonna stand flat. Very important trick, because if you do it, let me show you. If you cut resting the strawberry on the cutting board, you will not have a positioned strawberry. You have to leave that space. It's 90 degrees, right here, straight, and then it stands, you see? So again, you're not resting it all the way, you're holding it like this, 90 degrees, and you're cutting, and it stands again, all right? Cut it.
Now I'm gonna beat the cream cheese for 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, go. There you go. Beat it up, beat the heck out of it. It's been softened for about 2 hours on the counter because you don't want to start with a block of cold cream cheese, all right? So don't forget that. Flip it up like this, lift it a little bit out, and it will let this all loosened up, okay? Be careful. There we go. Good enough. There we go.
Now I'm gonna add the heavy cream.
All right, half a cup.
And a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar.
1/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. Excellent.
And then we are going to
okay, I'm gonna grab this away.
until fluffy.
then you just pipe it, pipe it, pipe it, pipe it, pipe it, pipe it. It's not a proper piping bag, so I know it's gonna mess up in the middle. Okay? But I couldn't pipe. Yeah. Okay, we're done. Okay. All right, she's gonna crush right now some graham crackers. She's gonna do it real well. Just picture somebody who you absolutely wanna crush to the ground. Your competition. Your competition. You crush him. Crush him. You're a shark. Come on. There we go. All good. This all gonna go on top of the strawberries that we already carved insides out. We made our piping bag right here ourselves. We took a plastic bag, we cut out a little opening, we put the nozzle in there. There you go, all done. Be creative. You don't have to buy everything. You can come up with stuff. So now she's doing that. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Yes, this is so good. And we're just gonna top with this beautiful graham cracker, and you're gonna have an upside down cheesecake strawberry. That's what you're gonna have right now. And it's awesome. And it's great, easy, super trendy, super beautiful. And what we're gonna do also, we're gonna sprinkle and a little bit of chocolate. We were buying that yesterday. We're like, what do we need? We need this, Ghirardelli. Okay, you go with that, and I'm gonna be sprinkling, all right? Come on. Very excellent, excellent. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Ryan, our cameraman, you better take the first one and tell us how good it is. There you go. Oh, 2 thumbs up. Hey. We're gonna stick this in the side and see the temperature. You want it to be 160 and then it's done. So we're gonna wait. This looks done to me. As you can see already, the onion is beautifully browned, everything is beautifully browned. But we just wanna make sure, all right? Then it's good. Go closer on the thermometer, please. Go closer on the thermometer and tell us when it hits 160. It doesn't, if it's a little bit under, we're gonna cover it now with foil and it's gonna cook continuously. How many degrees do we have right now?
Longest 59.
There you go, we're good to go. And now we're gonna put that amazing dressing. Brittany, can you grab those things that we use the dressing for me, please? And show it to the camera. We use fantastic maple syrup and Madeira vinegar. Use a good Madeira vinegar, all right? And mix it about 1/3 vinegar and 2/3 syrup, because you truly want a little sweetness to it, all right? So you're just gonna sprinkle it all over like this, all over the beautiful chicken. And you're gonna save some, because now when we're gonna be cutting it, you can put some more. Well, hello. Look how juicy it is. I told you how juicy that is, and you're gonna see it. Look how juicy it is. Do you see how juicy? Hello. Come on, lift it up the plate. There you go, right to your mouth, and get some good stuff. I'm telling you, I am telling you how good it is. It is so good.
How good is it?
It is so good. Enjoy this recipe. You will never need another roasted chicken recipe from my kitchen straight to your kitchen. We'll see you later.
Hi, this is just one of the Valentine's specials that I have. It's our famous satin lip set, and you get a little wine glass and a little teddy bear and some chocolates, because that's what Valentine's is, teddy bears and chocolates, and wine of course. So this is just the starter one. It's $25. So if you want any more ideas on the Valentine's, just visit my Facebook page at Brittany's Mary Kay Client Book. Thank you.
Привет from Maria. Some Russian for you. First of all, what did we cook? In Russian, this is курица. In English, this is chicken. Курица в духовке. Chicken in the oven. Курица в духовке. With what?
Luke.
Look, that's right. It's exactly right. Stage manager remembers the list. Listen. Onion, look. Курица в духовке с луком. Chicken roasted in the oven with onions. Курица в духовке с луком. Приятного аппетита от моей кухни для твоей кухни. Пока!